Hi, year four. Welcome to another flipped classroom for your computing. It's very important this week with your computing flipped classroom that you start planning for your own website. So in recent weeks, you've been using the website Khan's Academy to help you learn the basics of HTML codes when it comes to building your own website. And the program you've been practicing using the codes, and you should be seeing the impact it will have on a web page to the right of the screen. Now, you can revisit that at home if you want to have a little refresher. But what I really would like you to do for this week is to start planning your design for your own website, because in your computing lessons before the half term, you're actually going to start, well, write up your own website using the HTML codes. So I'm just going to quickly share the screen very quickly to show you the codes that you can use. So you may want to pause this at some point so you can jot down the codes and you can start planning your own website. So for example, we've got these codes here, the HTML, and it gives you an example of what it does. So bear with me 1 second. I'm just going to, so have a look at that, pause the video, have a look at this, and then I'm going to quickly just show you a mock or a practice one, just so that you can see how it looks like. Sorry about it, year four. So have a pause of this screen, and this is the kind of codes that you can use to start up your web page. So if at home during your flipped learning, it'll be a great idea for you to start planning and doing your own. So I'm just going to quickly show you. I should stop the share just to double check that I've got the right programs running. So you can do this on Word, you can do this handwriting. You don't need a computer to do this, but what you may need is the what you may need is the actual codes that I've just shown you on your screen. So I'm going to quickly share the screen with you. So here is Mr. Langford's website. Okay, we don't have to do this, but I like doing things like this. So anyway, so here I go. I'm going to start off my website, and when I go to my code sheet, the first thing I need to do is make sure that I've got HTML. So everything between these two codes make up the elements of your website. It's almost like the start and the finish. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my, oh, that's the wrong symbol. I don't want it underlined. I'm going to put in my symbol, HTML. Okay. Now I know that everything that follows this is going to be part of my website. I then go back to my codes. Okay. I then want to give my web page a heading or a title. The title, sorry, that is incorrect. Change that for you. It should be title, not head. So the title. So this is the title on the web page. So if it was a Google search, this is what would come up. So then what I do is I put title. I put title. Mr. Langford's web page. And then to close that, I do title, I put a hashtag in first and then do that. Okay. I'm then going to have, so that's the title. So if I was to Google search, this is what the website would be. It would come up as Mr. Langford's web page. So that's the title that I've given my web page. When I actually click onto the website, you're going to have a heading. Okay. And my heading may be Mr. Langford's